Hi, this is Daniel for gearbest. Today I bring you an action camera, the FIREFLY 8. We're gonna show you some videos, how it works and all that, and I'm gonna go through the general specs of the camera and unbox the package. So this is the FIREFLY 8 box. Comes with this little wrap here, and then the actual box, a white one. Gotta take it out. Here it is. And the first thing you will see is the actual action camera right here, inside a waterproof casing, which comes included, so that's nice. Let me take it out, and I'm gonna put it right here. Yeah, it holds. Still from the box, some protective materials there, some more layering, and then the instruction manual in English, so that's very, very important. Fairly detailed, also in Chinese, but also in English, so don't worry about it. Fairly detailed, and also with information you can check online if you have any doubts about how it works and all that. There's plenty of info, and there's also a QR code right here that you can scan, so you can get a companion app for the camera, so you can use on your smartphone or your tablet or whatever compatible device. So that's for the instruction manual. I'm gonna put it there. And then there's like plenty of accessories actually inside. I'm gonna take one by one. So, and I'm just gonna open them. There's like this mount accessory, so you can put the camera on a tripod or some other base, some other base accessories for stabilization. So I'm gonna put it here. There's this metal cord here, which I will not take it out because you can see it. There's like a metal cord here you can use also for attachments. And then, other accessories for stabilization and to use in tripods and other other filmmaking accessories and devices. So here, and actually looks like those have you watched the movie Tron and Tron 2? There's like these mainframe devices that hover and fly in the movie, and it looks exactly like this, so that's cool. If you like Tron, that's a little Easter egg right there. Another one here, it's like a screw accessory, and yeah, it's right here. So as you can see, the point is there's a lot of included accessories that you can use. You probably already have others. If you're like a serious, if you really like to go out and make movies and make videos, and you might even have other action cameras. So this, all this stuff, and also the charging USB cable, micro USB here. So yeah, you can charge it directly to a port, electric socket, or to your computer, or any other electric device, even your TV or whatever, and it will charge the battery. By the way, the battery is 1200 milliamp battery, removable, which is very important. You can actually remove the battery and change it for another one, so that's very, very cool. Okay, so this is the actual camera with a waterproof casing, as I said, so you can take it down in the water up to or downwards to 20 meters if you're gonna dive or whatever. I'm gonna try to open it now, and this requires a lot of skill, a lot of strength, so I need to focus really hard to do this. And yeah, there you go. I'm a professional, so I made it anyway. So here's the camera actually inside the casing, which I will put it here. And again, I'm pretty sure you can find other casings online if you want. So even though this one comes included, but obviously there's others. So this is the actual camera. It's very compact. Before I turn it on, just a few things. There's like a selfie mirror here in the front, so if you're using with a selfie stick or something like that, you can actually see a reflection right here in the front. So that's it's a little detail, but very useful. Here there's a USB port and an HD port as well on the sides. The power button is on the front, and I'm not going to press it right now exactly, but later. Two buttons here for functions, another here also for to actually take pictures and video. The speaker here, obviously the lens, the camera, and here we have like the screwing port, so you can, so you can put it in a tripod, in a selfie stick, whatever, in a gimbal, stabilization gimbal, whatever you want. And in the back here there's a 2.2 inch LCD screen, another button there, and a slot for the micro SD card right there. So now I'm going to turn it on actually, and that happens with the button here in the front. Yeah, there you go. You see the lights here, they start flashing, some colorful lights, which is very useful if you're down in the ocean swimming, diving. The sharks, they will very easily see you through the light and they will get you, so watch out for that. And here is the actual screen with kind of a fish eye effect, which is pretty common for this kind of action cameras, but you know, it's cool. So that's that. As for specs, the Firefly 8 can take videos 4K at 30 frames per second. It can also do 2K videos, 1080p, and obviously 720p, and probably even 480i. But you know, that's not really the resolution you probably want to use. You want to keep it HD, right? Besides video, the camera can obviously also take pictures up to 12 megapixels, very clear high-def pictures as well. Besides that, the Firefly 8 is Bluetooth and Wi-Fi compatible, but that means especially with the Bluetooth you can get all sorts of remote controls that are compatible with this camera, so you can be using it with a remote control and just take pictures and videos remotely, which is obviously very useful. That's pretty much it. You know, just check the videos, check how it works, check the links below the video for all the details and to see exactly how it works and all the specs, and if it's really the camera that you need. The price is very good, way under $100. It's like 85 US dollars, and it just turns itself off, which, you know, yeah, it has an automatic system to turn itself off if you're not using it for a while. So yeah, like and subscribe, and you know, go to gearbest.com. You'll find many other action cameras. We have a lot of them, like just outstanding action cameras throughout our catalog. But this one, the Firefly 8, is one of the best, and it's really cool, and you can do everything with it. Thank you very much.